Okay, I think my audio got cut off, is it not?
No, Guruji, it is fine.
Okay.
It's fine.
Okay. Yeah.
No. I wish that everyone could get a chance to chant at least 10 slokas of Bhagavad Gita each day at the end of the session, and we can get used to chanting also, recitation also, because some of you, when you teach, it is easy for us to then to remember it and chant along. That I have a problem for that. So.
Right. So we have to keep chanting whenever we have time, so we can get used to that. And after some time, it comes into our memory. It sits in our memory.
It helps when it comes from a guru. Whenever we make a mistake, you are here to correct us also. So I thought that maybe we can do that.
Yeah, so we will do that, and we have been doing that partially. So 6-7 verses. You wanted 10 to 20 verses. So
Yes.
if we do 20 verses, what will happen is every class.
No.
I think you know what will happen, right?
Yeah, I know. No,
So
to get used to it.
yeah, so we'll get used to it, and I think we should. I hope all of everybody here is also getting used to the chanting. So about a year ago, um, I remember many of you had difficulty pronouncing. So how do you all feel right now with the pronunciation? The show of hands, maybe.
Good.
Getting better.
Getting better, yeah.
Yeah,
I think it helps to chant at home.
Yeah.
I think it helps to chant at home maybe 2-3 times a week or so.
So what we'll do is this. So maybe we should have one session where we chant the entire chapter, okay? And then slowly, and then with a repetition, and then at least what we can do is have it recorded, so that for those of you who want to practice it can listen to it whenever you have the time. I think that's the best way. I do that periodically. I'll put on Swamiji's chanting, and then I will repeat as and when he says. That's how I learned all these things.
Guruji, I have also the Swamiji's recording, but it is very fast.
Yeah,
I'm not able to follow.
Swami Dayanandaji is a bit fast, so we will slow it down in our class. And so that was the young Swami Dayanandaji. Moving fast. All of us speak. I also speak very fast. I don't realize it, but sometimes when I listen to myself, I said, "You're going a bit fast," and I had to tell myself, "Slow down, slow down, slow down." And so I was a lot faster. 5 years, 10 years ago, and all, I was super fast. So I'm consciously trying to slow myself down. So we will chant. We will make a whole recording, and then to the best of our ability, and then hopefully I think that should help you all also pick up the chanting. Okay, Srividya? Yeah,
yes.
Good.
I have a suggestion.
Yeah.
Before starting the next chapter, why can't we chant all the first and second chapter, giving an opportunity to everybody before we start the next chapter?
Yeah. So we can do that. Chapter 1 and chapter 2. Let's chant. Maybe we should reserve the next class for that. At least it won't take one hour, so we can do that.
That'll be good.
Yeah. So there are some comments here. Okay, so in Marathi, this vaya word is there.
Yes.
Okay. So how do you say it, Surendraji?
Yeah, vaya.
Vaya. Okay.
Yes.
Vaya. So I will make a sentence. What is your age?
तुमचा वय काय?
Tava vaya kaya. Tava. Very interesting. Tava is literal Sanskrit. Okay. Tava, Vaya, Kaya.
Kaya. I have one question. One question I have. Can I ask you?
Yeah, 1 second. Vayovriddh. Vayovriddh means old
Yeah.
age. Okay. Referring to Vayas, correct. Shailaja.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who is asking?
Baras also, right?
Hmm?
They won't say Vayas, but say Baras. Like,
Varsha.
Ah,
Varsha, that is Varsha.
Varsha that is.
Paras ho gaya na, it's like Varsha.
okay. Yeah, but Varsh there refers, yeah, correct. Varsh, but it refers to age there. But yeah, you're right.
Years.
But years, yeah, how many years? Yeah, Varsh.
Jaikumar Ji, in Kannada also, Nimma Vayassu ಎಷ್ಟು? How
Vayassu.
old are Vayassu is there
Yeah.
in Kannada also.
Yeah.
Vayasu. Vayasu, correct.
Vayassu.
Yeah, somebody else had a question. Who was that?
Yeah. Yeah, I want to ask you a question. This second, shall I ask what way? Surendra here.
Yeah, go ahead, Surendra.
This second chapter you have taught us, it is called Sankhya Yoga. So, what is the similarity or difference between Sankhya Darshan and Sankhya Yoga?
So, Sankhya Darshan, there should be no difference depending on the context. I don't know where you pick the word Sankhya Darshan. But okay, you're talking about
Darshan.
Shad Darshanas.
Yes, yes,
Ah,
yes.
Yeah. So there Sankhya Darshana is different. And so there they do not consider Shastram. I mean, Sankhya Darshana, there are some differences here. And so here the uses Sankhya is used in the sense of knowledge. Darshana there is different. I'm going to cover the different darshanas for you one day. So there is Sankhya Darshana, there is Yoga, there is Vaisheshika, there is Nyaya, and then there is Charvaka, and then all these darshanas are there. Okay. So what I'll do is one day I will cover all of those so that you all can understand what all the darshanas are. But Sankhya Darshana is different from Vedanta. Okay, I'll leave it at that for now.
Doesn't Darshana mean philosophy, like Sankhya philosophy versus
viewpoint?
Yeah, so viewpoint, philosophy. So sixfold philosophies, they say. Yeah, different visions, different worldview, correct. The Shad Darshana, commonly called Shad Darshana, of which Vedanta is one. So I think it's good for all of you to know what all those things are. Okay, we'll keep it as part of a main class.
Yes, thank you, Jagan.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. Good. So we will conclude with that. And so let's see here. So now we actually have some time. I'm beginning to wonder whether we should use this time to chant.
Yes.
Jacomarji, one question.
Yeah.
So the word richati is gain.
Yeah. Richati is gains. Correct. Richati. Brahma Nirvanam, richati is used in the sense of accomplishing, sense of gaining. Yeah. Okay, so let's do that. So let's chant chapter 1 now. So maybe Haim, if you can stop this recording and then restart it.